a lot of the work that I've done up to this point has been in the Yoni massage space. So it's been a really beautiful healing journey for me, being able to work with women and hold space for the feminine and be that trusted masculine container that can help women to heal. So that's been a really amazing part of what I've been doing, and yeah, that's been, I guess, a lot of it's come from word of mouth as well as sort of social media and so on. But I've had a lot of local clients in Yoni massage. So obviously that needs to be sort of in person. Can't really do that online.
So for the listeners that don't know what that is, because I didn't know what it was when we first talked, can you just give us a explanation of what yoni massage is and what it does?
Yeah, absolutely. And I guess so. A lot of your listeners might be aware now, and there is a lot more awareness coming that we hold emotions in the body, right? The body keeps the score. There's a famous book that, and we're starting to understand more and more how our body's tissues actually hold our experiences. And by being embodied and connecting into our body, we can really understand about where our experiences are and what our emotions are. And so yoni massage is it is a healing modality, and it is a massage, and I would include a whole body massage. But yes, it is actually massage of the female genitalia, so the massaging the vulva, and it's there to be able to help women to let go of experiences that have happened in the past to them that they've been maybe holding on to. So that could be it could be, negative sexual experiences, could be sexual trauma, could be childbirth trauma. There's various different ways that it can can crop up, and women can often store that emotion, those experiences in their yoni, and there can be areas of tension. You can lose sensation and physical feeling. Some people will experience really sort of tightness and difficulty to actually have penetrative sex with partners because of it. And so there's a number of different sort of symptoms and things that can develop from having these traumatic experiences occur in your body and be held there. So the idea is that the massage releases areas of tension. It provides a safe space for women to be able to connect back to their bodies, and it also is designed to be able to release those emotions. So some of the sessions can be very, very emotional. They can be can bring up a lot of things for people. So there's obviously I provide support, aftercare, and so on, to be able to help people move through the release of those emotions from their body.